This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into the Roblox account that will receive value. Make sure you're on the official site or app. Once signed in, locate and open the gift card redemption page or tap the menu and choose Redeem. You should have the 16-character code visible. Type it exactly, including dashes if shown. Make sure you're using the correct account. Redeeming applies immediately, so double-check before submitting. If you use a shared device, sign out afterward to protect the balance. Now you enter the code into the Redeem field and press Redeem. This action triggers the server to apply funds. If done correctly, a confirmation appears showing Robux or credit added to your account. Note the amount so you know it applied. Once redeemed, you can immediately use the balance for Robux purchases, Builders Club, or subscriptions. Make sure to choose the right purchase option so funds are allocated as you intend. If you want Robux specifically, select by Robux rather than account credit. Finish by going to the item or Robux page and selecting your newly added balance at checkout. Choose it as the payment method and confirm the purchase. Once done, you'll see the item or Robux added to your inventory or account immediately. If the code is rejected, make sure you typed characters correctly, check region limits, and confirm the card wasn't already used. If problems persist, gather the code and proof of purchase, then contact Roblox support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.